¿Cómo es que se llama esa vaina? Espere, déjeme.
Es el easy off.
Okay, we're gonna use this product to clean your lights. So you spray the product all over around. And you immediately you're gonna start seeing the difference. I mean, you get a rack, just clean it. That's it. And your lights are gonna look like brand new. Wow, man, qué diferencia, bro. Wow. And this one right here, we just need to sand it a little bit right here, and it's gonna look like brand new. And this one, look at that. We don't have to do anything. It looks like brand new already. Mosquito thin.
Aquí tal vez toca echarle algo.
Okay, as you guys know, Johnson & Johnson, you know, like buy this product for mosquitoes, deep woods, insect repellent. This is what you need to buy, and that's it. You know, get a rag and clean. Ah, sí, miren. Look at that.
¿Sí es aquí? ¿Sí es como se deshizo?
A big difference, you know. Used to be yellow, now they look like brand new.